Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Hey, I am Stefan.
Today, we're talking about something small but super important in your car, the fuel pump relay. Let's dive in. This little relay controls the power to your fuel pump, which moves gasoline from the tank to your engine. When you turn the key to start your car, the relay closes, sending power to the fuel pump, building pressure to get your engine running. But what happens if the relay goes bad? Here are some signs to watch out for. 1. Hard to start. If your car is hard to start, it could be because the relay isn't sending power to the fuel pump. Without that power, your engine can't build pressure, and you'll be cranking it for a while. 2. Stalling. Does your car stall while idling? A faulty relay can drop power to the pump, making it hard for the engine to keep running, especially if accessories like the AC are on. 3. Rough running. Is your engine running rough? A bad relay might cut power to the pump, causing misfires and hesitation. That's when you feel your car jerking or surging. 4. Check engine light. Your check engine light might come on, and that's because the car's computer detects low fuel pressure or delivery problems. 5. Weird fuel pump noise. If you hear your fuel pump making weird noises, like whining or grinding, that's a sign the relay is acting up and powering the pump inconsistently. So why do relays fail? Heat and electrical overload wear them out over time. A weak battery or charging system can also cause issues, leading to voltage drops and a non-working fuel pump. The good news, replacing your fuel pump relay is super easy and cheap, just under $20. Pop in a new one, and you're good to go.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips. See you next time on Auto Repair.